If you're going somewhere without internet, or you just want to save mobile data, YouTube lets you download videos to watch offline. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download YouTube videos on your phone in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, keep in mind that downloading videos for offline viewing requires a YouTube Premium subscription. Make sure you're signed into the account that has YouTube Premium. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, make sure you're signed into the correct YouTube account. If you have multiple accounts, double check that you're using the one with YouTube Premium. Otherwise, you won't see the download option. Now, find the video you want to download for offline viewing. Once you've opened the video, tap the three dots next to it to open more options. In the menu that appears, tap Download Video. You will now be asked to choose the video quality. Higher quality looks better but takes up more storage space on your device. If you're trying to save storage, choosing a lower quality is usually a good option. After selecting your preferred quality, tap the download button at the bottom. The video will now begin downloading. Depending on the size of the video and your internet connection, this may take anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes. To check the download progress, tap the U tab in the bottom right corner of the screen. From here, scroll across until you see the library section, then tap to open it. Inside the library, tap Downloads. Here you'll find all of the videos you've downloaded to your device. Simply tap any video to start watching it, even when you don't have an internet connection. One thing to remember is that these downloads stay inside the YouTube app. They are not saved as regular video files in your phone's gallery or photo library. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Guides and Beyond for more simple, step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.